Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Let's make spaghetti bolognese today. It's a vegan recipe with mushrooms and lentil. Tastes absolutely delicious. For more such recipes, do subscribe and check out my other videos. Let's get started. Some red lentils that have been washed and soaked in water, button mushrooms that have been washed thoroughly and chopped, tomatoes that have been cross-slit and blanched in boiling water for about 30 seconds. Peel off the skin and chop them up finely. Boil the lentils till they are just done. I think they are ready, so I'll just turn off the heat. Drain the water. Some chopped onions, some chopped garlic, and some finely chopped capsicum. Heat some oil in a pan, vegetable oil or olive oil, and add in the chopped mushroom. Cook the mushroom till they become soft. Once they release all the water, make sure to cook it down. That looks fairly dry. Mix well. Add in the onions. And the chopped capsicum. Season with a bit of salt. Cook till the onions become tender. This is how it looks after a couple of minutes. You can see that the mushrooms have got some color on them and the onions are also looking translucent and slightly cooked. We'll cook it for a minute. Lower the heat, add in the garlic, mix it around, add in the tomato, mix thoroughly, season with salt, pepper powder, dried parsley. You could use the fresh ones for better results. Some dried basil leaves. Again, the fresh ones would be a better choice. I don't have them, so I'm using the dried ones. Give it a mix and let the tomatoes sweat and release some water. So we'll wait for that to happen and stir it from time to time. Add in some dark soy sauce, some tomato ketchup, some chili powder. Give it a mix. Cover and cook. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. I'll remove half of the mixture into a bowl and blend it. Turn off the heat. Add it back to the pan. Mix them up. I'll add in a bit of water here. Add in the lentils. give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if required. That's perfect to me. Lower the heat. Cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Checking after the 2 minutes are over. The sauce looks perfect. To finish off, add in a bit of maple syrup or honey or sugar and some vinegar and turn off the heat. Give it a mix. And that's ready. I have some boiling water here for the spaghetti. I am doing 2 portions. That is roughly about 200 grams. Put the spaghetti in. Add salt to the water. As the spaghetti starts to soften, all of it will just drop down into the water. There. Should take about 10 minutes. Cook the spaghetti as per your liking. Al dente or spaghetti with a bite is the preferred choice. That looks done. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. I have enough sauce for 2 servings here. I'll quickly add in the spaghetti right out of the water. That's how it should be done. Right before serving, cook the spaghetti. The sauce you can cook earlier, so I'll just give it a toss to mix things up. That looks lovely. Let's plate it up. I have a cute platter here. Some of the chunky sauce on top. That looks nice. Some basil leaves on top. I'm using dried basil. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on top. And that's ready to be served. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe. That's good.